Say it with me, guys. 1, 2, 3. It's always better at home. This right here is a shrimp scampi that is out of this world when it comes to flavor. Straight restaurant quality. Let's whip it up. We got a pot of hot water rolling, hit it with a little bit of salt, and we're gonna drop some linguine pasta right on in. But you can use any pasta of your choosing, okay? You wanna let it go until it's al dente. Once it is, go ahead and drain it and set it off to the side, okay? We got about a pound of some shrimp, peel, devein, tail off, hit it with a little bit of oil as well as our special seasoning blend. All the ingredients will be down in the comment section. We got a little bit of oil going into our medium high heat pan, and we're gonna drop that shrimp right on in. We're gonna get a nice beautiful color on our shrimp. You're gonna let it go for about, let's say, 2.5 minutes per side, okay? And once you have that achieved, you're gonna go ahead and remove your shrimp and set it off to the side. And in the same pan, if necessary, you could drizzle a little bit more oil, because we're gonna drop in a little bit of chopped up shallots, some minced garlic, some grape tomatoes as well. That's gonna add a wonderful flavor to this right here. And you're just gonna saute this for about, let's say, a minute or two, okay? Then you're gonna drop in some white wine. Again, all the ingredients will be down below. Drop that white wine right on in, as well as some unsalted butter. And then we're gonna hit it a little bit more of that same seasoning blend. You're gonna taste it, you know what I'm saying? See if you need a little bit more seasoning and whatnot. Also, the juice of half a lemon. We're gonna then toss in a little bit of spinach, about a handful, okay? Then we're gonna reintroduce our shrimp just like so. Bring everything together, mix it together, okay? Then, and only then, you're gonna you're gonna bring your linguine pasta that you have cooked sitting off to the side. You're gonna reintroduce it to this pan right here. Get it talking to all the wonderful flavors that we have developing, that we have going right here in this pan, okay? Last but not least, you know we gotta hit it with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And do not be stingy, be generous with this cheese right here, you know what I'm saying? All right, and also, of course, hit with a little bit of freshly chopped parsley, you know what I'm saying, just to add a little pop of color as well as some flavor as well. And this right here is pretty much your end result right here. This is straight gas, straight pressure, absolutely delicious. Come on, you definitely got to give this a try, and once you do, make sure you double back in the comments and let me know how'd you love this one, because I know you absolutely will. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all on the next one.